boys. Oh, naligaw ako eh. First of all, I want to thank all the people I work with dito sa show and sa Dreamscape for actually offering me the role of Tyrone and Arthur, because I had no expectations and I was really blown away. I might as well have, sana nagkaroon na lang expectation, because watching the final product was just amazing. So I want to thank my directors for, just having the vision talaga, and we all shared the same thing. It's nice to be in working with a group who share the same energy and same share vision, and that's what I got. So ang feeling ng pagbalik mo ganon, and then ABS, like buhay ulit yung relationship namin. It never died naman, but coming back to ABS felt like coming back to home. And then having our friends here watch it, and then it's such a great show. I'm not kidding, I'm so proud of it. I feel like I made the best decision this year.
Yes!
So, thank you very much. It's the best time to, to just, one word na lang, para madaldal ako eh. I don't want to turn my back on my artist again. And this is it, full embrace. Yeah. And this is the best thing to share it with.
Saka once an actor, always an actor. Do you know this yun, Jericho?
Thank you.
It's always there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Welcome back.
Thank you so much.
Yung second question.
I want to ask you, Alan, how do you feel that I'm back?
So,
no, I'm just kidding.
Baliw ka, Jericho. Back
Boy, that's a serious question, di ba? Parang na-miss 6 years.
Why not? Sige nga, Alan. Ikaw nga, ano pakiramdam mo?
Alan,
syempre, na-miss ng mga fans mo yung acting.
Ikaw ang tinatanong, hindi yung fans.
Ako personally, na-miss namin talaga yung Echo.
Thank you, Alan. I love you, thank you.
And you still remember as, di ba, nung dumadaan sa kanina dun sa red carpet, talagang binati niya kami yung mga familiar faces.
OGs.
Gano'n naman si Jericho lagi.
Yeah, that's my strategy talaga, kasi I always forget names.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Second question ko for Jody. Grabe, Jody, no? Grabe ka rito sa...
Yes! Awang-awa tayo dahil 2 hours.
Alam namin hindi ka tumatanggap ng role ng parang yung same, di ba? Same ang inuulit. Talagang bago ka tumanggap, talagang tinikita mong bago to. Yan, parang bago talaga na nakita namin Jody dito. Action, di ba? Parang tinalo mo si Tomb Raider dito. And yung mga fight scenes mo, di ba? Hindi, tanong namin, how was it? Kumbaga, how was it? Paano ka nag-prepare dun sa character mo? And paano ka nag-training? And ano yung mga na-encounter mo during that times na nasaktan ka ba? Ano yung mga challenges you encounter during the shoot?
When it was first offered to me, I think yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpa-yes sa akin sa project is it's new. It's something that I haven't done before. And ako kasi parang I always welcome challenges, and parang I feel na parang when I begin to doubt myself whether if I could do or I could do it or not, parang the more na nanggigigil ako na hindi, kailangan ko siyang gawin. So yun yung una. And then the next is, how do I prepare? So we did a lot of training. We did a lot of strength and conditioning because we don't want anyone to get injured naman on set. Isa lang yun dun sa maraming component na kailangan mong gawing preparation for the role. Kasi may physical aspect ka, there's also the emotional aspect, your relational aspect to your co-actors, diba, sa roles nila, and a lot of psychological aspect also. So you have to do a lot of parang digging, anong nangyari, kung may mga missing na parang bagay, trabaho mo as an actor na i-fill in yung blanks or fill in the gaps, hindi ba? And a lot of talking and meeting and collaboration with everyone, from our creative team to our directors, even to my co-actors. Now we discuss our scenes, paano natin gusto to gawin. So mahaba siyang proseso. So part yun ng preparation before mo gawin yung, let's say, yung scene. Kung meron mga nasaktan, ay oo. And ito na yata yung parang nagkapasa-pasa na ako dito, left and right. Parang every time na uuwi ako sa bahay, parang may bago akong baon. Baong pasa. Ganon. Pero it's all part of the job. So, and I'm just really thankful na I got to do this with these wonderful people. I'm just grateful. My heart is full.
Congratulations. Worth it naman yung mga pasa mo. Ang ganda-ganda ng pinalabasan mo.
Sobra.
Abangan nyo, Alan, kasi wala pa yan. Kasi pagdating ng second week, third week, grabe, umaatikabong action na talaga. Hindi pwedeng lumipas ang isang linggo na walang mangyayaring, hindi balian. Parang action scenes, ganyan.
Ikaw ba yung nagpapa-double or talagang ikaw yung gumagawa talaga ng mga scenes?
As much as possible, ako talaga.
Share nyo na lang, Jodes, yung training nyo ng 5 araw, 1 week. Pero araw-araw kayo ni Jody, kayo ni Echo, kayo ni... Di ba, ang dami yung pinagdaanan, parang 6 hours a day.
Ang nangyayari kasi, before kaming mag-shoot, kanyari, may schedule na action sequences, hindi binubuo yung routine sa set. Binubuo yon ng stunt director namin prior to the scene na kukunan. So, naglalaan talaga kami ng time for rehearsal. Para din, go ahead, bro.
No. I was just telling them how you wanted to start this Zumba before mag-take kami. Nagzo-Zumba kaming lahat. Just to warm up.
Kasayo. Led by
Jody.
The Diamond Star.
Shake, bari-bari dancer.
Shake, bari-bari dancer. Ganun muna kami. Bago kami sumalang. Para alam mo yung circulation, ganun.
Sample daw, sample.
Shake, bari-bari dancer. Ari ko mambo. Sige na, Nay.
Siya yung leader namin. Di ba, Mama?
Anak eh.
Alright.
So anyway, congratulations everyone.
Thank you, Alan.
Siyempre sa showbiz, yung iba, marami nagsasabi na may mga plastic, may mga hindi totoo. Kayo, may mga nakamaskara pa rin kayong mga nakakasalamuhan. O anong paano nyo tinitake yung mga gano'n na...
Sino na lang yung gustong sumagot? Not for everyone na lang.
Sige.
Isa na lang, June, kasi limited yung time.
Yeah. So ako na lang sasagot kasi una-unahan lang yan eh. So ako na maunang yung plastic.
Talaga. May baka maniwala sila.
No.
Ayan.
No. We have this certain... I'll speak for the rest of the gang because this is an uncomfortable question. If you're plastic in front of us, you're not gonna get anything. Because what we'll give you is the truth. And we are very sensitive to people who are not real.
Yeah.
That's our job, to pretend. Okay? So you might as well just be friends with us, make friends with us, be real with us. Because that's what counts. In showbiz, authenticity is what counts. That's the currency.
Very well said. Ang galing. Pero gusto ko lang pasingin.
Last na, June, go.
Si Inay Maria,
Oh, yeah.
gusto kong mas for sure, alam mo naman sagot niya, di ba? Inay, yung mga nakamaskara, ano mga masasabi mo doon? Kasi ikaw, very di ba? Totoong-totoo.
Nakakasama ng loob pag alam mo na patuloy kanyang kinakausap, nakaka-plastic ka naman lahat, di ba? Parang gusto mo siya tadyakan, di ba? Gusto ko!
Pero wala ka pa naman natadyakan,
Pero
ha?
walang gano'n lang nangyari.
Sandali
Relax pa ako. Pero hindi, pagka ganun kasi, ang hirap, kahit siguro kayo ang nasa sitwasyon na ito, pinupuri kayo ng pinupuri, pero hindi naman pala siya totoo. Na pagdating sa ibang tao kung ano sinasabi against you and all of that. Shit.
Ay,
All of that.
statement.
Sensya na po kayo kasi action talaga itong show namin.
Hindi kasi dapat ganon, di ba? Dapat pag nakikipagkapwa-tao ka sa tao. Hindi ba? Pero kung pinaplastic ka, sana umalis na lang sa harap mo. Pag-init ang ulo, bakit nakadyakan kasi?
Ang bongga. Pero ngayon pa lang, congratulations kasi ang bongga talaga ng laban.